Easy baked mac and cheese. Everybody loves mac and cheese. If you guys need a quick holiday meal or any meal at any time, try this mac and cheese recipe. Coming up. Welcome to my channel. I am Benji Travis. I love to cook, and today we're gonna be cooking this baked mac and cheese, and it's amazing. So let's get right into the ingredients, and then we will share with you how to cook it. First off, you got your dairy. We've got some milk. We've got some cream. We've got some cheeses. Literally, I've just got some random cheeses here. Of course, we've got our macaroni. Today, we're actually using a different kind of squiggly pasta. I don't know what it's called. Then you've got your seasonings. We've got salt, pepper. Then we've got cayenne pepper and nutmeg. These make up the basic things for a great mac and cheese. The only thing I would add to this, if you're feeling super fancy, is a panko breadcrumb at the top. Today we're just gonna go with cheese, so we're gonna get right into making our cheese sauce. First thing you wanna do before you even start gathering your ingredients, get your water boiling. I've got this large pot. I like the water to be nice and hot and a rolling boil. It's important to have a lot of volume in your liquids. After you've got your pot of water on the stove, make sure to set your oven to 350 degrees. Secondly, we're gonna wanna start preparing our ingredients. I'm just gonna shred the cheese. If you've already got shredded cheese, all good, okay? What you're gonna wanna do, put all your dairy into the pan. So first you put your cream, then we're gonna put our milk. Let that get up to a nice hot temperature. Now I don't want this boiling, I just want it hot so I can slowly start to incorporate the cheese. So if your cheese is shredded, just add it in there handful at a time, slowly stir it, slowly adding some more cheese, stir it. It's getting gooey, it's getting creamy, it's amazing. Then we're gonna add some of our seasonings, okay? The reason I do that afterwards is because I wanna make sure to test the flavor depending on the type of cheese that you are using. So, after about, I wanna say like 5-6 minutes of incorporating all your cheese sauce is done. Your pasta should be done as well. You wanna drain that and set that aside and get ready to actually put your mac and cheese together. What we're gonna wanna do is go ahead and pour all your drained pasta into this dish, and then you're gonna slowly pour all that sauce all over. And yes, it's gonna look like there's too much cheese sauce, but who ever said there was too much cheese in a baked mac and cheese? Nobody ever. So go ahead and pour it. Make sure you mix it around with your spatula. And at the very end, if you've got enough sauce, you can cover it. If you don't have enough sauce, totally okay. Put a couple layers of cheese on there. At this point in your 350 degree oven, you're gonna toss your macaroni cheese in there and let it bake for 30 minutes. So at this point, you're gonna just let it rest. It's just like a steak. You wanna let it just sit there for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you serve. It smells so cheesy. It's been resting for 10 minutes, so we're gonna plate it and taste it. The moment of truth. The taste test, which everybody loves a taste test. That's so good. Little cheddar mixed in with some of those fancy cheeses. Gruyere, I'm telling you, it's creamy, it's silky. A little bit more of a stronger cheesy taste, but it's perfect. There you go, guys. Baked mac and cheese recipe, super easy, and it's delicious. You guys can throw in any type of cheese that you love. If you guys are new to this channel, consider subscribing, hit that like button, comment below on different recipes you wanna see. Follow me on Instagram, BenjaminTV. Tap or click the screen right here to see all my recipe videos. Tap or click the screen right here to see my vlogs where I cook every day. As always, you guys, keep cooking.